Okay, now we're back. We're going to put our locking hub nut back on. Make sure that the pin goes through it. Try to see if you can turn it. If it don't turn, you're good. Now we're going to mount another tire. When you're mounting it, make sure you hold on the CV shaft and you feel that tire lock on place. You can tell when the actual tire is in place because it will pop on. And we'll put our nut in our hub hole. Screw it on. Make sure it's tight. Want to make sure it's really tight because you don't want to slip. Now we'll go to the other side of the vehicle. And we know what step to take first now. We're going to release our tie rod. Lift the tie rod out of the way. We'll release our other tie rod now. Get that out of the way. Now we'll release our hex head hub carrier bolt in the pin. Now we'll release the actual hub from the A-arm. Now we'll release the back. As you see that bolt there. Okay, now we can pull our CV shaft and our hub assembly right out. Now we got that out, we're gonna take the bearings out of the assembly. Put them aside for now. We release our other bearing from our assembly. Put our old assemblies aside. Make sure your bearings are really free of dirt and loose. Spray them. Now we're going to put our bearings in our hub carrier. See that they turn freely. Now the other side. See if that turns freely. Now we want to put our CV shaft through our hub carrier. Make sure that that's good. Turns really quick. Now we want to put our CV shaft into our out drive. Once that's in our out drive, now we can make sure that we put our hub carrier back in place. First we'll do the rear. Want to line it up. When you're lining up, be very careful because you can strip the aluminum. You'll be able to tell because once it starts, it's pretty easy to get in. Now you want to line the back. Now we'll tighten it with our 2.5 millimeter. Tighten the other side. Before I put Loctite on it, just so you know, I prepped it with Loctite. Now our CV shaft's in. Now what we can do is put our first bolt through our hub carrier and our nut. Want to get that nut started perfect because you don't want to cross thread it. You can put Loctite on it, but I don't because it's a nylon locking screw. That means it should have enough tension to hold itself on. Then you want to tighten the top tie rod. Now we want to go to the back. Put a little thread lock on there. Make sure you use glue because you can release glue and it's not permanent. You don't want it to go on permanent in case you do something to the hub or break a tie rod. You want to be able to release it. Now we'll tighten the other arm down. The other steering tie rod arm, or the tie rod arm. Make sure it's tight. Make sure that there's no binding, which is great. Now, the fun part, putting the pin back in place. Making sure that bearing's tight. Now you're locking hub nut over the top once it's in. Now we can mount the left side tire. As we said before, make sure that it pops over the top of that nut. Now we can put our tire nut on. Make sure that starts good. Now that that's in place, now it's a lot better, you can see. And folks, that's how you assemble aluminum hub carriers, rear and front, for the Losi Lasernut. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoy my videos that I'm making. I'm not perfect or professional. I just enjoy working on them and bashing them. I hope you have a blessed day, and I would like if you could please subscribe and like my videos. And I'll make some more. As long as you guys are liking my videos, please like them. I'll know that you like them, and then I'll know that you're enjoying them. Thank you, and see you again for my next upgrade. Bye.